Now this was serious because the news that he got, listen, there's a great multitude coming against you. Hallelujah. It wasn't one nation. It wasn't two nations. It was three nations that coupled against Jehoshaphat. Hallelujah. The Edomites, hallelujah. The Moabites, hallelujah. And Ammon, they got together to come against Jehoshaphat. This wasn't a little battle. But the thing about it is they were enemies themselves. They were enemies themselves. They were fighting against each other. But they came together. Hallelujah. They came together to come against Jehoshaphat. They came together to come against that which represented God. Hallelujah. All of you is that you know that you are forced to be reckoned with when your enemies to come together. Hallelujah. You know, hallelujah, that you're operating in the kingdom of God. Can come together to try to destroy you. Hey God, hey God, hey God. When your enemies come together, hallelujah, you know, hallelujah, that you're shaking continents. You're putting a dent in the enemy's down. When nations can come together, hallelujah, to come against little old you, hallelujah. Because there's no way on God's green earth that you're going to defeat these enemies. These enemies. The enemy said, I even got them together just for you. If they can have peaceful relations, because I want them to destroy you. But there are some biblical principles that we have to put in place. Jehoshaphat feared the Lord. And this wasn't necessarily the spirit of fear, but a fear that had him, the king, seeking the king. Yes. That's what fear this was. Not, oh my God, I'm terrified, not an ungodly fear or a fear of torment, because perfect love casts out, drives out all fear. So he wasn't operating with that. He was operating with a fear that I got to set my face and flint to the Lord. Hallelujah. That's a principle, fear. We got to fear the Lord and teach our offsprings to fear God. Hallelujah. The Lord said some time ago in our time of prayer that we need to bring that fear back to the house of God. That reverence of the Lord. And you sung it today. He is holy. He is holy. This house is holy. He is sacred. We're sacred. You said he's sanctified. We're sanctified. He's set apart and we're set apart. Hallelujah. We got to bring that fear back to the house of God. Hallelujah. We can't come in lackadaisical. Hallelujah, like God owes us something. Every time we step foot in his house, hallelujah, we need to be saying, thank you, Jesus. Hallelujah. I give you glory. Hallelujah. Because the scripture records, hallelujah, enter into his gates with thanksgiving. Hallelujah. Into his courts with praise. Bless his holy name. Hallelujah. Into in. I'm running in. Praising and all. Because you never know. This might just be my last praise. And I say this a lot. You going to remember me? Man, she sure was praising him. Hallelujah. She was praising. Hallelujah. It's an easy transition.